Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kunal. So today we will understand some fundamentals of Python. So we will see what is identifier and what are the rules to define the identifier, and then we will see the keywords as well. So first thing I will start the annotation. Yeah. Okay. Uh, yeah. Yeah. So first we will see the identifier. So identifier is nothing but a name given to entities like class, functions, and variables. It actually differentiate one entity from another. You might see the identifier in C++, Java, or .NET. Same type of identifiers we can define in Python as well. But to define the identifier, we have some rules. So what are those rules? The identifier should be the combination of letters and digits. So letter can be lowercase or uppercase. And then identifier can start with cannot start with digit. So we will demonstrate that in a while. But variable identifying can end with you can say digit, and it is perfectly fine. And keywords cannot used in identifier. So these are the important, you can say, rule while defining the identifier. So I will remove all the annotation. Okay. Yeah. So now, so first is identifier cannot start with digit. So we will see what is the, so here you can see I have defined the identifier 1 KBC is equal to 10. So if I run to run the row in notebook, we should enter shift and enter. So once I have run the shift enter, you can say it is an invalid syntax. If I change, if I remove this one, and then I try to run the this particular row, you can say the error which is related to KBC 10 is not there. The error is related now is global one. And then you can append the you can say digit at the end as well. So here also there is a no problem. And the third rule which we have is keywords cannot use as a identifier, and global is a keyword. So that's why it is showing as a invalid syntax. So if we have changed something, then this particular thing will run. And then again, we cannot use special symbol in variable as well. If we I will add one another row. If we try to add, you can say, special symbol, and then try to run here, you can say cannot assign to operator. So it is uh, clearly we cannot you can say add any special symbol in our variable name. Then we will now next thing we will understand the Python keywords. So in Python keywords, there is one package to see the list of keywords. So I will import that. Import key one. It is same like if you say seen in the C++ or C, we try to import some packages if you want to use the function from the that particular packages. Same thing done over here. We have to you can say access the functions from this keyword package. That's why we have imported this keyword uh, package. Then once we import this keyword package, I have printed the keyword dot kw list. So here you can see the number of keywords present in Python. So in identifier we try to define the global is equal to 1, and global is an keyword. So here you can see that particular global as a keywords. And then there are some important facts about the keywords. Are these are the reserved words in Python, and we can't use this keyword as a variable name or as an identifier, and these keywords are case sensitive. So these are the you can say some facts about the keywords. So please try to share this video with your friends so that it will support to my channel, and stay tuned with my channel for further updates.